In this quick video, I'll show you how to mask in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. In order to mask your clip, we need to go to color tab. For that, simply click on this color page on bottom. Then you will be redirected to color page here. Now you can mask your clip. So firstly, this is your node. If you make any changes on your color page, then they will be made on your node, and if you want to add here another node, then for that simply press Alt S on your keyboard. Then new node will be add on your node section, and I want to delete my first node here. For that, select your node, then hit backspace on your keyboard, then your node will be deleted. Now I want to mask my clip. For that, click on this mask window. Once you click here, then you will see mask tab. Multiple shapes are available here. If you want to use circular mask, then click on circle, and then you can adjust the position of everything. If you want to increase feather, then increase the softness of your mask, then the feather will also increase. And to delete this shape, click on this delete icon, then your shape will be deleted. I don't want to use these default shapes, I want to draw custom. So for that, click on this pen tool and now draw on your subject. I want to draw on this Ford logo. So for that, simply draw on it by clicking left click on your mouse, and now draw on the second point. I'll simply draw it here and hold your left click so that you can adjust the curve of your mask. I'll simply draw it like this, and now I'll simply draw it here. If you want to move your viewer, simply hold middle click on your mouse to move this viewer. Now let me draw a mask on my subject. And now I'll finish my masking. After that, if you want to make any changes to your mask, then simply increase the saturation, color, or if you want to add any effect, then you can simply add the effect from opening this effects panel. Then you can drag any effect from here. If you want to blur your mask, then take your Gaussian blur and drag it on your node, then your effect will be applied on your mask. I don't want to use this effect, so for that I'll simply go back by Ctrl Z and disable this effect panel. I want to decrease the saturation. For that, I'll simply drag my saturation all the way down to 0. I also want to decrease the highlights. I'll also do it. And now if I play on my clip, as you can see, the mask is not moving according to my clip. So for that, we need to track our mask, and for that, just click on this tracker. Just click on it, and after that, tracker window will open. Here we can track our mask. If you click on this icon, then it will track one frame forward. If I click on it, then as you can see, it tracked my first frame. And to track your whole clip, click on this track forward icon. It will track your whole clip. I'll simply click on it, and as you can see, my whole clip is now masking. And there you go, I have successfully masked my whole clip. If I play my video, you can see the highlight and saturation effect is applied to my mask. And now I'll show you second example. For that, firstly we need to go to mask window. Now pick your pen tool and draw on your subject. I'll draw on his face for the sake of this video. I'll simply draw on it roughly. And now click on this tracker and then click on track forward. Now it will track the whole clip. Now if I go to the beginning of the clip and apply a effect here, we need to simply go to effects panel and then take any effect from here. If you want to blur the face, then take this mosaic blur or Gaussian blur. I'll take mosaic blur and then add on his face, and there you go, I have successfully blurred his face on my DaVinci Resolve. So this is the way. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.